So when you go kayak fishing in the winter, you have to be prepared for the accident that your kayak flips over and you are thrown into the cold water. In my setting, I usually wear waterproof jacket, slim fit waders, plus floating vest, so that the water doesn't come inside when I'm thrown into the water. So this is my main kayak, Stealth 575, carbon fiber made, imported from South Africa. It's light and very fast. You know, it's really good part to have kayak for anglers is that you can bring it down to anywhere you want. Even when your home ground is under bad condition, you can carry your kayak somewhere under good condition. It's a cooler bag and frozen salt water in a plastic bottle inside. It's a portable fish finder Hondex 610, which is really convenient for kayak fishing because the battery is built in. All you need is plug into the transducer, which is already set up in this kayak. That's it. My fishing rod for jigging. This is one of the good parts of this kayak because it's got a huge storage in the center hatch. Today's spot is located in the southern part of Awaji Island, close to the Naruto Channel, which is famous for world's biggest whirlpools.
Hey, how we doing? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Awaji. So what I'm chasing today is fat yellowtail. Today is end of January, so it's in the midwinter. In this season, yellowtail are really fat and they are in the best condition all through the year. Again, yeah. And today's fishing is only jigging. I didn't bring any other rigs. Let's start off with this jig, long jig. And I'm just gonna switch them around. And if it doesn't seem to work, I'm gonna switch to other jigs. Okay, let's get started. shot! Yellowtail. A little bit small though. Today's first catch.
So I'm gonna make sashimi of yellowtail, sharpen up the knife and scale it. Separating the gills from the head. Taking out the guts and gills at the same time. Clean up the bloodline along the spine. Cutting off the head and leaving the shoulders this time, because I'm gonna use only the one side of the fillet and leave the other side for another day. So start filleting the fish, draw a guideline first, then go deeper and deeper until the knife hits the spine. So at this point, the rib cage is still connected to the spine, so you gotta cut these apart. So I wanna keep the other part sit in the fridge for maybe several days. So made it wrapped in a dehydration sheet and put it in the fridge, so that you can keep the freshness of fish. Okay, so now let's get to making sashimi. Cutting off the shoulder, and I'm gonna keep it for grilling. Scrape off the rib cage. Now cutting off the pin bones. Cut through the center along the pin bones, then separate the meat.